Okay, hi, how's it going, guys? And today we are going to be talking about the Debrox earwax remover. God, this stuff really works well. I've been using Debrox for going on, it has to be close to 10 years now. And I know a lot of people like to use Q-tips, or I even heard of people using honey or different things to remove earwax. Actually, I've never found any of those ways to be really beneficial, other than the doctor told me one day about the honey, and that kind of worked kind of well. But this Debrox is really efficient in removing earwax. Doctors swear by it. That's how I got turned on to it. My doctor told me that this is the stuff to buy. You really want to remove earwax. A long time ago, I had a real thick buildup of earwax in my ears. I couldn't understand why I was losing my hearing. I just said, I clean my ears with Q-tips, and it was fine. It was still seeming like something was wrong. So the doctor said, you have a buildup. So Debrox was the choice for him. And I used it, and it was like a miracle. What I did was put 5 drops in for the first day in both ears. Well, what you do is you tilt your head to one side, and then you drip 5 drops of this inside your ear and let it work. Eventually, you will hear, in like less than a minute, you will hear like a little popping sound, like pop, 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 like that, It will be working in there. It's breaking up the earwax, and you can actually feel it working. It really does the job. You just leave it to one side, tilt your head to one side for a while, up to maybe, I would say 10 to 15 minutes, like lay down, or you can put it in your ear with a piece of cotton, just keeping the stuff in there. Yeah, it does the job. And then you want to tilt your head to like lay your head on a pillow or something, on the side with the ear wax remover in it, and let whatever excess Debrox that's in your ear kind of fall out, and then do the other ear the same way. Yeah. And after you've done that process, you can, if you feel like it, you don't have to, but you can take one of those little baby squeeze balls, and fill it with water, like little warm water, and drip a few drops of water in there, or you can just squeeze it and have water shoot in there, and then flush it, put it in there, squish it around, and then put your head to the side and let it bloop, 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 have it just boop out, And you will be surprised how well this stuff works. It gets rid of everything. You will see stuff coming out of your ears that you did not think was there. Yeah, it really does work. And it's like a thick, not really too thick, but it's kind of a oily film, like that, about that thick. It's not uncomfortable, it's not uncomfortable at all. And it doesn't feel like you've put like thick molasses in your ear or anything like that. But it does work. It does really work. It's alcohol free, and but it does have salt in it. And what you want to do is use it twice daily for up to 4 days, the way that I told you. And you will see the difference. It is really a lifesaver for cleaning ears. Don't use Q-tips, not for the inside of the ear. Use this Debrox. It's really good. You'll see. I had a really great awakening using this stuff. And like I said, I've been using it for quite a few years, and it's always done the job for me. I've never had an issue with any kind of infection or anything like that. After using this, it keeps it really clean, and you will have no problems. Yeah, I really, really like this a lot. I know there's a few other brands on the market. There's even a kit you can buy for Debrox that actually comes with the little bulb I was telling you about. You can squeeze the water. It actually has a kit with this and a bulb to squeeze the water to flush out your ear. It's a little bit more expensive than this one. I mean, because this is just the earwax remover itself. Yeah, you can get that one too, and you're ready to go, you know. Awesome. Well, that is the Debrox earwax remover. All right, I hope you can use this information. I will see you next time. All right, take care. Bye-bye.